Hello, I'm Sally Jacks. Right, are you ready to pimp up your pumpkins? Pimp up your pumpkins, pimp up your pumpkins, pimp up your pumpkins. Pom, pom. I've been doing that tonight at work. Yes, I've finished on a telly today, and for the last couple of days, I've been pimping up my pumpkins. Now, there's loads of different things that I've been doing, because I've been doing some at home in Burnley as well. But I wanted to show you the classy way, darling, to be able to pimp up your pumpkin. Yes, it is a real pumpkin. I would have preferred to have had a plastic one, but I'm struggling to find them. But I'm actually going to make them out of cement. Yes. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be able to do that next week for you. So this is a real pumpkin. It's £1.50 from Morrison's. Obviously, you can get them all over. And I've put a doorknob on the top with a bit of glue. I've painted it with some acrylic paint, which I got for roughly about £1.20. However, I will tell you, I wouldn't bother with acrylic paints for these. I would just go and get some emulsion, good old emulsion, you know, Dulux or whatever, in the tester pots. Obviously you can pick them up in things like B&Q and the range. I would go and get those because it just takes too long and it can chip off really easily. I would also use Yacht varnish over the top, because the Yacht varnish is going to help it. Now, Yacht varnish you can pick up for the range, big tub for about £7, or you can get it small tubs from Poundland for £1. That's if your Poundland's big enough and it stocks something like that. Now, the actual diamantes that I've popped on there are from the range as well, and they come in a sheet like this, only for £1, and they're actually all joined together. I've also done, if I can put you on here without it turning off, can you see? I've also pimped up this pumpkin. So this was obviously orange and I painted it grey. So I got all these paints, all these acrylics. But like I said, I would just go for emulsion. Go for your tester pots if you've got any of those at home. And then I've Mod Podged with the gloss over the top. I love that. However, I also love my Yacht varnish, and for lasting outside, Yacht varnish is fantastic. What I've done with this one is, again, from the range, I got these feathers that were in a bag. Of course, you can get whatever colours. And then I got this big bag for another £1 of pearls, and then I just placed the pearls around on the top. I've got more pumpkins to show you. These are my classy pumpkins, as I'm calling them, because my living room is grey and pink. I wish I could have got one a little bit smaller than the other, but I am going to do a third pumpkin as well to go with it. But I've also got an All Saints pumpkin I've done that looks like a motorbike kind of rocky pumpkin, and I've done Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do those in more vlogs over the next week. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you won't know what's coming up. And I love having you on board. I want you to be on board and to comment and to give me some ideas as well. But if you want to pimp up your pumpkin, this is how you do it. If you want to know about new videos that are coming out, make sure, is that Mike Mason? Yeah, make sure you subscribe and press the bell to know when the next one's coming up. Just to show you, because Mike's just come off air. Just come and say hello.
Where are you?
I'm in here, talking to the crew.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey.
You've just come off air, haven't you?
Why are you still here? You should be going home, going to
I'm
bed.
vlogging.
How are you?
I'm in a good mood today.
Who, me?
He gave me a compliment for the first time in his life, and
I think you're for a compliment.
and it's because he's got 5 days off work. That's the reason. So go and get ready.
Go drive home now. See you later.
See you later. See you later. So don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up as well, and don't forget to press the bell for notifications. That is how you pimp up your pumpkin. See you later. Bye.